Do you want to use the Exness app in your preferred language? In this video, I will show you how to change and set your preferred language on the Exness app step by step, so you can navigate the platform more easily and comfortably. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Exness app. Here in this page, as you see, you will find this sign of profile, so you will tap on profile. After that, in this page, you will go to above to this sign of settings. You will click on settings. After that, you will find your language, so you will click on language window, and then you can choose or change your language in easy way here on Exness app, as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.